Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You know what to do. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. But hey, make sure that you're not unsubscribing if you're already subscribed. So make sure it's checked dark, all right? A lot of people have been mistakenly unsubscribing. This one is going to be packed full of information, so I implore you to finish it to the end. This is going to help a lot of you guys on your trading journey on the wrong camera. Hey, I'm not doing any edits out of this one. I just want to keep it rolling and get this one up and out to you guys as soon as possible. I'm going to say this. I'm sorry, let me stop this. I'm going to look you in the eye and tell you the truth. I lost the most money I have ever lost in my entire life in 2021. Okay? Last year, I lost the most money I ever lost in my entire life. But you know what else? I made the most money I ever made in my entire life in 2021. So what I mean by that is my losses, because of the amount of trading that I did. So I had a lot of big wins at the beginning of the year. And then I got greedy. I stopped my disciplines, right? And I just like, hey, it's going to keep running. Even I failed to go back to the basics and stick to my lessons, stick to my disciplines. And I got a little greedy. And I was doing, I got greedy on option plays and lost a ton of money. Then I learned my lesson again. I'm going, hey, this is me. I'm not calling you guys idiot. This is where I talk to myself. Hey, idiot. Look at your disciplines. Follow your disciplines. You know better. And so what happened was I made the most money that I ever made in my life. So I made triple the amount that I lost. So as far as money lost on a dollar cost basis, I lost the most amount of money I've ever lost in the market. But sticking to my disciplines caused me over the entire year to make as much because I learned from my mistakes. All right. So if you put a dollar amount on it, I lost more. And if you put a dollar amount on it, I made more. And so that's what the market is about. Wins and losses. And if your wins are greater than your losses, then you are winning. And so that's what I want to relay to you guys. Now, at the end of this video, I want you guys, there's going to be a video in both boxes. I feel like I'm running out of time to get these messages to you guys. I want you guys to watch both of these videos at the end, however you can do that, okay? So on yesterday's video, which will be in this box, right? And then where I see buy signals will be in this box. So I want you to watch them both. On yesterday's video, I talked about stock. I want to start this one with crypto, and then I'm going to end in stock. So listen to this. There's another YouTuber by the name of Richard Fain, F-A-I-N. He said something that I 100% agree with. And he said, your money behavior is more important than your knowledge of money. Let me say that again. Your money behavior is more important than your knowledge of money. And that is true. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to invest well. And now is that season to invest well. So on yesterday's video, I talked about being in solid plays, blue chip companies, because the downside is less. Now, today, here we are in another sell-off. We're giving back that run we had of a month. We're slowly giving it all back. The hardest thing it is to do is to say, hey, there is trouble coming while the market is going up. So, there's a lot of, people were like, oh, this is it. We've seen the bottom. You guys missed the bottom. And going against the grain, I've been telling you guys, you have not missed the bottom, right? There's more floors down. And I will tell you that 70% of the time, the market will hit a new all-time high before the hard recession. Literally, we will get a sign of a recession, and then the recession is actually going on, which it is now. And in 70% of the times, this is how the rug pull, and I believe it's contrived. The market will go to another all-time high. The S&P could hit another all-time high before the rug pull. You guys saw me make a killing on Shiba Inu. I got in and out of Shiba Inu 5 times. One of the times you guys saw me make the trade. Right in front of you, you guys saw me make like 148 or 58%. I don't remember. Just go back and watch. You guys saw me, and then you saw me exit my position. Then while I was out of town, I said, hey, it's going to hit this price today. I got in, got back out that same day. If you guys remember that video, just bring it, just say, yes, I remember. And I got back out because I know that this is not Bitcoin and it's going to fluctuate more. Will there be time to get back in? Yes. And in a later video, I'm going to tell you where I'm going to get back into Shiba Inu. I'm going to get back in. I'm not poo-hooing Shiba Inu. I'm just saying in this environment, in this time frame, is the time to be establishing your layer ones, or let's just call it blue chip. All right. So let's look at this. Bitcoin to the S&P, right? Let's go 1 month, right? Remember, whatever the stock market does, crypto does it, exaggerated, right? You see here, right? Let's go 6 months. See the correlation? We keep going over this. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. But look at the top, which is the S&P. It goes down a little. What does Bitcoin do? Go down a lot. So remember, look back here in May. See here? And then it's Bitcoin is doing it more exaggerated. So whatever the stock market does, Bitcoin is doing it exaggerated even more. And for those of you that don't know what the S&P is, the S&P 500 is just that, the top 500 companies in the stock market, okay? And so this is what's happening. There's a correlation because there is adoption, right? There's adoption, and the more adoption there is by institutions of crypto, it doesn't matter how smart you are. It doesn't matter if you know how a halving cycle work, a bull market, a crypto winter. It doesn't matter any of that, how, what they're studying and what they're rolling out. And all of that does matter in a normal market or in a bull run. Right now, in a bear season with the elevator going down, it doesn't matter if you don't know this stuff. So I'm imploring you guys that are just into crypto to learn about the stock market. At least go and Google what the S&P is and what does it do. And if you're in crypto, also see what the NASDAQ is and what the NASDAQ does. Okay, good people? So that's what I want to say to you guys with crypto. And, I'm going to tell you, I'll show you why I'm not touching Shiba Inu until it comes down to quad 010-ish. And that's where I will start to enter in another position in the Shiba Inu. So I'm not against Shiba Inu, but you guys saw me kill these plays before, but now I'm not being greedy right now. I'm going back to what I learned in 2008. I'm going back to what I learned in 92. I've been trading for a long time. I've made a lot of mistakes. You guys that are new to the market get to learn from my mistakes and profit. And then on top of that, you get to earn from my knowledge. So all you have to do is be disciplined. Now is the time to be disciplined and not gamblers, okay? And with the stock market, jobs keeps coming out. Job markets keep coming out good. So the jobs are saving the economy temporarily because they keep coming out with good job numbers, right? So it's temporary. The housing market is already heading towards it's in a soft recession already, heading to a hard recession. The housing is. So the only thing left to happen for us to go into this with raising interest rates and a hawkish Fed, the only thing left is jobs. And that will turn very quickly. So now, every time they come out with good jobs numbers, just remember the sale is being prolonged, giving some of you guys time to simply get your act together. This is not a time to gamble. It's a time to load up. And remember, we're going to be back into these hot plays. You know, they're going to be hundreds more of Mullins. They're going to be hundreds more of Shibs. We're not going to be monovision, because while we're looking at these, there's going to be 1,000 new altcoins the next bull season. But unfortunately, about 80% of the altcoins out of the 10,000 altcoins, 8 to 10,000 altcoins that's out there, they'll be gone, right? A lot of them are not going to make it. And so what I want to do is sound the bell now so you can be on a solid platform. I'm very passionate about doing what's difficult now so we can be easy later. So what I'm trying to do is to get you guys, some of you guys, I know some of you guys listen and you've been making good moves. A lot of you guys have been, and some of you guys have been trading as long as I have. But I will also tell you, if you're older, if you're 50, 60, 70, you're older, you should be in 90% stock, 10% crypto. If you're younger, you can afford to be heavier in the crypto, but not 100% crypto, especially now, all right? We don't even know, no one can say without a shadow of a doubt what's going to happen to crypto during the regulation, right? And so I will tell you guys that if you're just in the crypto, start buying into the stock market, right? And you're going to, because it's going to make you a better crypto person. It's going to teach you how to trade crypto and invest in crypto. I believe in crypto long term, but I am not 100% into crypto. As a matter of fact, someone at my age, I can afford to be maxed at 20% crypto. And if crypto breaks out the way I think it is, then my 20% could turn into 50%, you know, but I'm making sure I'm setting a firm foundation right now. We're getting some layer one cryptos. You guys have heard me say it over and over again. Bitcoin, you already know it. Ethereum, you know, Solana, those type of things. Even Polygon, Matic, and ADA. There's a whole bunch. I know you guys are going to go into your favorite ones. Well, what about this? What about that one? Long as it's a layer one, something that's going to survive the crypto winter. I just want you guys, now's the time to balance the boat, okay? Listen, this is the last day. The 31st is the last day for these promos. I got to tell you about this. Moo, download my link below and just deposit the $100, get the free stuff. Make sure your family members get the free stuff. It ends on the 31st, and you're going to get 3 extra stock with me by downloading my link, okay? And they got a spinning wheel type of deal, and you can get up to like $26,000 worth of free stock, all right? But that's not why we're doing it. So I don't want to oversell it. I want you guys to do it. Here, I'm also buying today some GORO, but you could also buy some gold ETFs, GORO. I'm buying some more today, not loading up, just dipping my toes in here, right? So today, GORO, which is gold resource, is at $1.69 at the time that I'm bringing it to you guys. So if you want to follow me, remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. If you want to dip your toes in the water with that, I'm buying it now. And remember, it's not going to be green right away. It's going to be red. But I showed you guys in an earlier video that when they announced that we are truly in a recession, within 3 months, this happened in 2008. Within 3 months, it was up 100% because people get fearful, the dollar goes weaker and gold goes stronger. The reason why gold is trending down now because of lack of demand. But it will change once we start getting into the up and coming hard recession. I always say we're in a soft recession. Also, too, make sure you check out Webull, okay? Download it. You can get up to 12 free stock worth up to $30,000. Now, what we do in Webull, just look at this page and go. I show you where and how to buy fractional shares. My top 5 stock, or if you're participating in the $5 a day challenge, here's a good place to do your top 5. You could set it one time and forget it. My app, my Webull app buys, I'm doing $10 a day. So it buys, $35 a week of 5 different stocks. So $35 per stock per week. And I got it set on automatic. I also buy on Fridays because that's when a lot of times is the sell-off, right? So that's what we're gonna do, right? So let's leave it right there. Did I do that correctly? I'm talking to you guys, and there was one other thing that I wanted to I'm sorry, $70. I cut it in half. That's for those of you that's doing $5 a day. My mind was like, no, that don't add up, bruh. If you're only doing $5 a day, 5 times 7 is 35, right? But if it's 10, if you're doing $10 a day, then that's $70, 7 days, right? Now, if you're doing monthly, whatever that month is times 10. If it's a month with 30 days, then it's, do the math. Some months have 28, some months have 31. So, 29. So you do the math, all right? That's it, good people. I don't want to ramble on. I just had a ton of information to give to you, but I want you guys to please check out these 2 videos. As many people as I could reach, that's what I want to do. All right. So check out these 2 videos at the end. And before you do that, stop and click the title of this video. If you're on a cell phone, look at the drop down, download the 2 links, and deposit a minimum of $100 into both. All right, good people, check out these 2 videos. We'll see you tomorrow.